Getting started with Dr. Explain, software for creating user and reference documentation. Part 1. Main features overview. Dr. Explain is a program for creating user documentation in various formats, for software products, web systems, SaaS services, equipment and business processes. From one project, you can quickly create a help file for integration into a desktop program, printed user manual, or a help system with search and index for publishing on a website. Let's take a look at the main elements of the software. A project is divided into topics organized in a project tree. You can add, remove, move, and rename the topics. For each topic, you can define which format it will be exported to. When exporting to Web Help or Help file format, each topic will be exported as a separate file. File names can be generated automatically, or you can specify them yourself. In the future, you can refer to a specific topic by this name. For example, you can send a user or colleague a link to it via email or chat. It's also convenient to use the topic readiness statuses while you work. The content of the selected topic can be changed in a special WYSIWYG editor. The main functions of the editor are placed in a compact toolbar. Here you can change the style of the text. Manage paragraph formatting. Insert links, images, videos, tables, and lists, and insert special objects. At any time when working on content, you can see what the topic will look like in one format or another. Just switch to the appropriate format preview mode without completely exporting the project. The web format preview mode allows you to quickly and easily customize page design elements. The main toolbar gives you access to the basic operations for working with the entire project. Opening and saving. Adding topics. Copying and pasting. And exporting to various formats. The Project Settings button allows you to fine-tune all the aspects of working with your project. The main menu contains all the main functions of the software. It partially duplicates the functionality of the toolbar, but also gives access to more advanced features, for example, allowing several users to collaborate together on a project. Now we've gotten acquainted with the main elements of the program, and seen how a project is generally organized. Watch more tutorials in this series, to learn more about developing user documentation with Dr. Explain. You can install and start working with Dr. Explain absolutely free. The latest version of the program is always available at drexplain.com.